So, David, when it comes to financial leadership, you say the how-to is really easy, want to is the problem. What do you mean by that?
The how-to in a hotel when it comes to financial leadership is really about getting all the managers, leaders in all the different departments to do what you need them to do on the frequency we're on. So if it's putting together their forecast, they all need to submit it at a certain time. And all those individuals, they're really busy. They're busy looking after the guests, they're busy looking after the colleagues, and quite often the numbers are the last thing that they pay attention to. So that's kind of the how-to piece. But the want-to is really about how can we make the numbers just as important as the guests and the colleagues. The want-to in that comes in them wanting to be a professional member of our business and having that financial leadership quality so that they can do all of those things. And the three things that I always tell people that they need to do to create the want-to with the financial leadership is: one, don't give them the numbers, get them to make up their own numbers. Number two, instill in them that we're counting on them, that their part of the business is really important and they're in charge of it. They're in charge of the department. They're the department head. And then the third piece is we want to give them the time that's necessary to be able to accomplish that. And in our business, we never have enough time. But if we can create the kind of environment where those are the things that we strive towards, we can create a whole lot of want-to, because at the end of the day, if the leader has those financial skills, their career is going to take off, and they're much more valuable in the hotel industry if they have financial leadership skills. So that's really how you create the want-to.